Hey, want to become more organized in the new year? New month? 2019? Maybe even 2018? Find out how bullet journaling can help you become a better person. Bullet journal or Bujo? Bujo. 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 Bullet journal or Bujo is a great all-in-one note-taking methodology because it allows you to take notes, events, and tasks, put them all in one place, which is great. Now, I don't think I'm a totally disorganized person. I do take notes. Some of them are on my phone, some on my notepad, and others are just lying all on my desk. But I hope that having a single source of information is going to help me become a little bit more organized. I have researched bullet journaling on YouTube, in blogs, and I'm pretty sure you have too. And some of these people are absolutely fantastic. They have got great handwriting, great artwork for every theme that they may have, everything in between. So it can be a little bit scary to look at. I want to show you my bullet journal. It's scrappy, simple, but most importantly, very quick to set up. As I'm setting up the layout for the journal, let me reiterate that the job of this book isn't to look pretty. Don't for a second think that a pretty journal will make you more organized. My bare bone basic Bujo may not look pleasing on the eye, but it definitely serves the purpose. As always, start off with a key. This has straight up been taken from Amanda Rackley and her YouTube channel. I think it's great to look at. There is an index. My notepad doesn't have page numbers, so I'm making my own up here. Future logs are a great place to keep track of entries for the future months. Who needs a ruler, right? I mean, it's simple and it does the job for now. Monthly logs are next, keeping track of major events on the left, tasks on the right for the month, and I've got some space at the bottom to do some habit tracking. At the moment it's food, mood, and gym. It's unlikely to change for the next few months, but you know, I could if I wanted to. And finally, we've got the daily log. Starting out small, as it is a Saturday, but I'm here filming, so you know, I think that's a great start. There you go, my 2019 bullet journal setup is complete. It only took me about 15 minutes to set up, which I think is great. I hope that watching this video makes you realize how simple it really is to get started. So, this is the first time doing a bullet journal for myself, and I will be doing a review at the end of the month just to see how I've utilized the bullet journal and what benefits it's brought to me. I'd like to find out what you're doing, how you're doing it. Maybe you're doing certain things differently. I want to find out all of that. So please leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.